Okay, guys, today we are on the CHEM with the trick series, and it is with the very important, very useful in all subject, not only in chemistry, it is also applicable in maths, it is also applicable in physics, and everywhere in all entrance examination, this trick is going to work. What is the trick? We are in the CHEM with the trick series. Here we are to find out the log without using the log table. Okay, people worried about the how to see the log table and how to what are the basics of the log table also they don't know. Okay, so from basics to the utilization of this trick without using a log table, how to find out, we are going to see it in this lecture. Okay, so please share this channel to all friends, whether they are giving any exam, bio related exam, entrance related, banking related exam also, this will work out. Okay, so let's start with the trick. And first, before going to the trick, at least some basics. I will start from my lecture. I will start from my teaching as if you don't know anything about the log. Okay, so there are two types of logs. One is called as ln and another is called as a log. Okay, this is called as a exponential logarithm. This is called as a 10 base logarithm. And in our examinations, in most of the use, we will get in the log term only. This is 10 base log, this is exponential e log. Okay, so if somewhere something is given like this, you can convert into ln to log by converting by multiplying with 2.0303. Okay, so when you multiply the given log ln value, you wanted to write it in the terms of the log, then you have to multiply it with the 2.303. This is the multiplication term for converting exponential log to the 10 log, the 10 base log. Okay, so I think this is very important and it is very required also. Even though most of the students must be knowing, most of the persons are knowing, still I will explain you right from the basic. Okay, so the first thing is, when you have ln, you have to multiply with 2.303 to convert into log. Okay, this is one trick or one simple basic formula. Okay, and second, some basic formulas we require is, first what you should know, log 10 is equal to 1. Okay, why? Because why log 10 is 1? Simple, it base also 10 and log 10. Okay, so that's why log 10 is equal to 1. Is it understood? Second one, log 1 is equal to 0. Why it is 0? That also I am going to tell you. Don't worry about that. Okay. So, and apart from this, there are certain basic formulas required, and those formulas I am going to write it here. Okay. This is the second formula. This is the third formula and fourth formula. Already you must be knowing it, but wait for the trick. Okay. So log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. This is the next formula. What is the next formula? Log, if two things are there in the multiplied form, log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Okay. So are you aware up to here? Everybody must be aware. Okay. Just I will explain you two more formulas. And those two more formulas, if you read out, then this trick, within fraction of seconds you will be able to find out log of any number. Okay, is it understood? Okay, as I told you, the next two more formulas only you require. Only two more formulas you require, and I will tell you why this log 1 is also 0. Understood? So log A by B, if they are multiplied, there will be plus between them. Log A by B is equal to log A plus log B. And log A into B is log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Okay. Next, log A by B, if for multiplication, if it is plus, then division it should be minus. Simple logic. Okay. So log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Then log A to the power of n is equal to n log A. Log A to the power of n is equal to how much? N log A. Is it understood, students? Now this is what the formula wise. Okay. Now here log 1. So log 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. Okay. and 10 this according to this formula 0 into something will be 0. Log 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0 is equal to how much? 1. Okay, so 10 to the power of 0 and 0 will come over here. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this will become as a 0. Is it understood? All these formulas I think you are aware. Log 10 is 1. Log ln if it is given to convert, because all these formulas uses log only. If something is incidentally given as ln, simply multiply it with the 2.303. You can write it in the form of the log. Okay, log 10 is equal to, sorry, log 1 is equal to how much? 0. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, and log a to the power of n is equal to n log a. Is it understood? So now we will go to the trick series and trick. What are the things you must know about the trick, and how to utilize it, how it will work, that we are going to start with it. Okay, ready? So I suggest all of you to take a screenshot of it, otherwise make a note of it. Everywhere these formulas are going to be very much useful. Okay. Okay, this trick works on the only four values. Okay, what are the four values? Log 10 is equal to 1, log 1 is equal to 0, and log 2 is equal to 0.3010. This formula you have to remember. Okay, and log 3 is equal to 0.4771. If this much values you remember, if this much values you remember, and all the formulas I told you in the previous screen, that formulas, if you're, and two of them are same only. Okay, so those formulas and these values will make you to enable to find out any log value. Okay, approximately, because we are saving of time, and the answer will be, options will be in the entrance examinations, even in the board examination they will see, they will not see accurate answer. Okay, approximate answer if you require. Suppose if you get log 6. Okay, let us start with the log values. How to find out log value? Okay, simply log 6 can be written as log 2 into 3. Okay, so this will be log 2 plus log 3. That's all. So I am not consulting any log table. Okay, so it is equal to 0.3010 plus 0.4771. So 1, 8, 7, and 11. So this is going to be, sorry, 7 plus 0, it is 0.7781. Okay, so log 6 is how much? 0.7781. Okay, log 6 is already written as log 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6. So by the formula log a into b, we can write it as a log 2 plus log 3. Okay, so log 2 can be written as 0.3010 from this, and log 3 can be written as 0.4771. Then you can write it as a 0.7781. Log 6 is how much? 0.7781. Any doubt about this? So let us see another example. Okay, so another example, let us take it as a log 5. Okay, so how to use this? Only this value we are going to use. Okay, so log 5 can be written as 10 by 2. Okay, so log 10, this as per log a by b formula, log 10 minus log 2. Okay, so log 10 is how much? Log 10 is equal to 1 minus 0.3010. So this answer you are going to get, log 5 is equal to 0.6990. Is it understood? Did I use any log table? Did I use some any big formulas? With simple magic trick. With simple magic trick. First, I have used the multiplication formula. Here I have used the division formula. I'm going to explain one more trick, one more process in which that power formula will be there. Is it understood? Are you with me? Okay. So keep a note of it. Please share my channel. Please share my channel to all your friends. Let they are preparing for medical purpose. Let they are preparing for the engineering purpose. Let they are preparing for the banking exam. This and CSIR, JRF, lot of exams are there. everywhere this will work out. Okay. Now let us see the next example. So next example is, let us take log 8. Okay. Log 5 we have seen, log 6 we have seen, but the process is different. The formulas are same. Okay. So here also we are going to use it the different method. Okay. So here log 8, how I will write? Log 8 I will write it as a 2 to the power of 3. Okay. 2 cube is equal to simple log 8. So this we can write it as a 3 log 2. 3 into 0.3010. Okay. So this will be 0.9030. Simple. Log 8 is how much? 0.9030. Did I use anything? Similarly, suppose if the question is about log 4, what you will write it is 2 to the power of 2. So 2 log 2, 0.6020. Answer will be 0.6020. Initially, it may take time. When you are habituated to use this formula, immediately you will get answers. Okay. So I will ask you people, if suppose question is about the bigger value, let us take 27. Okay. Then what you will do? What you will do? You will write it as a 3 cube. Okay. Then what it will be? 3 into log 3. So 3 into log 3 means log 3 value, how much it is? 0.4771. So when you multiply, you will get answer. Okay. So it is applicable for bigger values also. It is applicable for smaller values also. Okay. So let us take some more complicated examples. Sir is taking selective examples, and he is using the trick in the same manner. It is not like that. Different manners are there for the different types of question, but trick is same. Okay. So without using log table, let us take log 18. Question is about what? Log 18. So then what I will write, log 18 can be written as log 6 into 3. Okay. This can be further splitted as a 2 into 9. Okay, this can be written as 2 into 9. Okay, somehow you have to manage them to bring into 10 to 3. That's all. Okay, so why I have selected this as, because this I will write it as a log 2 into 3 square. Okay, I will write it as what? 2 into 3 square. So now here this multiplication is there. So log 2 plus log 3 square. Okay. So log 2 already I know, and this can be written as 2 log 3. Okay. So log 2 substitute here, log 3 substitute here, you will get answer. Okay. So any big number, any small number, suppose some big number, I will take it as 1,000. Okay. So I think this answer, I think understood. You can take some time to write this. Okay. So make a pause of it. Log 18 is equal to log 2 into 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay. Log 2 plus 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3 log 2, a to the power of n formula. Is it understood? Without breaking any formula, without using log table, you can find out accurately. As of now, I told you accurate answer. These are the 100% accurate answer. Okay. And initially, I told you also there are some cases where certain approximate formulas also you will get. Okay. And now I am going to explain some huge number. Suppose 1000. Okay. So 1000 is very simple. 1000 is very simple. Okay. 1000, 1 lakh. I think most of you must know this. 10 to the power of 3. So it is 3 log 10. Okay. Just given number must be converted to some multiples of 10, some multiples of 2, some multiples of 3. Simple, if it is even number, it will be definitely divided by 2. And if it is odd number, some will be divided by 3. Okay. So 2 and 3, if you are selecting and knowing, most of the even numbers, odd numbers, and big numbers can be manipulated by converting them into 10, 2 and 3. Is it understood? Suppose if there is a question of prime number. Okay. So they are not divided by the any 2 or divided by the 3, divisible by the 3 or 2. So suppose log, I will take it as a 19. Okay, so 19 is a prime number. Then I will not get accuracy, that is decimal place accuracy we will be losing. In that condition, what I will do, I will find out for the log 20. Okay, so something I will reduce. Options will not be so much nearby that you will not get the correct answer. Okay, so log 20, how you will write? Log 20 is equal to log 2 into 10. Okay, so log 2 into 10 can be written as log 2 plus log 10 because multiplication is there. So log 10 is 1 and 1.3010. Okay, so like this you can find out the any prime number. So but it is log 20 value. Okay, so what we can do is we can reduce something, we can reduce by something, it will be less than 1.3, something less than like 1.29, something like that it will be there. Is it understood? Any doubt about this? I hope all of you understood this technique and you will be using this technique in your future examinations and get benefited. I want that all of you should transfer this benefit to your friends, brothers, sisters, and your relatives. Okay, and at which came I use only English language so that entire India and abroad, all over the across the globe, everybody should be able to understand. I should cross the language barriers. Okay, so if you use the local language, then you will be settled, you will be restricted to that place only. Okay, there should not be any barriers, restrictions. So that's why try to adopt your understanding into the English, and so that you can transform your horizons into the wide area. Okay, all the best. Be with me, stay with Wiscam, and keep tuned. Share your friends. Bye bye.